jamming with Getaw Badjaw. Getaw Badjaw was a group that I was a member in, and it's just a two-man group. The other guy was Jojo Garcia and me. And Getaw Badjaw was formed in the Kalibo gig of the 70s Bistro, and we played alternate with Grupong Pendong and the Jerks, two groups, two power bands in Manila. And Getaw Badjaw was the alternate band, and we really played very nice. And although there's only two of us, but we managed to get the energy of the very high, that we can compete with the energy of the full band group from Manila. So we played for the whole week, every night, and get the highest energy that we got